Hi, I'm Jenny Gendron of Arria. As popular as video has become, creating professional quality video is still complex and time-consuming. The same goes for developing the broadcast equipment that makes this all possible. What if you had an integrated solution that takes the complexity out of the equation? Stay tuned to learn about a couple of development kits and reference designs that you can use to quickly develop broadcast infrastructure equipment that can save you valuable time and money in video capture, processing, and editing. In this video, I'll show you two demos that use our audio-video development kit, Stratix IV GX Edition. The kit is PCI-SIG compliant and includes a 1-year license for Quartus 2 design software. If you need a lower-cost FPGA with high-end capabilities, these demos also work on our Arria 2 GX audio-video development kit. Both kits will give you all of the resources you'll need to create professional quality broadcast infrastructure applications. Our first demo uses one of our many video format conversion reference designs, which is already loaded on the board. Called UDX3, this design is based on our 1080p video design framework. And by the way, we're pretty excited that this framework recently won an EDN Innovation Award. You can use the UDX3 design to easily and quickly build a design that converts a variety of input image formats to any output format. All the video format conversion reference designs from Arria are SOPC Builder ready and use functions from our video and image processing suite. The reference design accepts multiple video sources in both SDI and DVI. Two of those sources are selected for up, down, and cross conversion, and output in SDI and HDMI. The video processing channel features polyphase scaling, motion adaptive deinterlacing, mixing, on-screen display and text overlay, and simple frame rate conversion for resolutions up to 1080p. Now let's look at our setup for this demo. It's pretty simple. Here we have a video source that outputs in SDI. This source basically acts as a video server and is connected to our audio-video development kit, Stratix IV GX Edition. And the board is hooked to a SDI scope and an HDMI monitor. The board includes a SDI HSMC daughter card that supports multiple video sources and simultaneously processes 2 SDI channels. Let's see how we can use the UDX3 design to create professional video equipment that accelerates the process of video format conversion. Apart from up, down, and cross conversion, the design allows you to perform a variety of functions. For example, you can add on-screen graphics such as company logos and text overlay. Or you might want to display footage from different feeds or switch between different angles or views, like if you're broadcasting a sporting event, or simply see various sources on a single screen. We can display the final image on a single screen or stream multiple output sources on a single screen. This switch does it all. The design supports both interlaced and progressive outputs, which can be changed at runtime. For example, you can change the output resolution from 720p to 480p to 1080p by simply pushing another button. The design also supports different output interfaces and can be switched in real time. We can switch the output from HDMI to SDI by simply pressing a button, as you can see here on the scope. I'm sure you can imagine how valuable having a fast and easy way to perform these types of functions can be for a broadcast studio or video control room. The design can also support active format description, or AFD, as defined by the Society of Motion Picture and Television Engineers. And when you're ready to design 4K digital cinema applications, our UDX3 design can scale up to support this. Our second demo also uses the audio-video development kit, Stratix IV GX Edition. This demo uses our SDI to PCI Express video bridging design to create equipment for video editing and storage. You can easily shave off 6 months of design time by using this reference design. Available from our partner Omnitech, the SDI to PCI Express reference design uses our SDI Megacore function and the hard-coded PCI Express in our Stratix IV GX FPGA. It creates a bridging function for triple rate SDI into PCI Express out, and vice versa. The Omnitech DMA controller provides efficient direct memory access for SDI video streaming to and from the PCI Express domain. The setup here is similar to what we used in our first demo. We have a video server as our SDI source. A PC houses the Stratix IV GX PCI Express card. The server is hooked to our dev kit, which is loaded with the reference design and connected to this PC monitor. Like the previous demo, this reference design also eases the development cycle. Rather than spend about 6 months developing your own SDI to PCI Express conversion application, you can take advantage of components that are ready to go. You'll just need to make sure they're properly connected using the SOPC Builder tool in Quartus 2 design software. In this demo, there's a GUI in the PC for displaying the video in the PCI Express domain. Since we can see the video playing on the screen, we know our conversion from SDI to PCI Express was successful. Now, let's switch between different resolutions. We can see here on the GUI that the current resolution is 720p. We'll go ahead and change the video source to output 1080p. We can see here that our design automatically detects the different resolution by looking at the output indicator on the GUI. Now that we've converted our video source to a PCI Express format, we can store the video stream on our PC and access it later for editing. The FPGAs in both of our dev kits feature hard-coded PCI Express blocks up to Gen 2x8 that work with our SDI Megacore IP to easily stream video in and out. Our audio-video development kit, Stratix IV GX Edition, can simultaneously handle up to 4 streams of SDI 1080p HD video, while the Arria 2 GX version of the dev kit simultaneously processes 2 streams. So you can choose your kit based on your bandwidth as well as your cost requirements. And one more thing, Altera and our partners also provide different codecs such as JPEG 2K, MPEG 2, and H.264 for video encoding. Are you ready to accelerate your broadcast application designs? The reference designs we just showed you are available on 2 versions of our audio-video development kit. For higher levels of density and performance, buy our audio-video development kit, Stratix IV GX Edition. If you want high-end capabilities at a lower cost, buy our Arria 2 GX audio-video development kit from our partner, Omnitech. For more information about the development kits and available reference designs, please visit altera.com/avsolutions. You'll find links to the dev kits and broadcast reference designs on this page. I'm Jenny Gendron, and on behalf of Altera, thanks for watching.